Everyone talks about millionaire mindset, but no one's asking this. What if it's not your mindset holding you back at all? What if it's your frequency, the vibration your body is broadcasting when you think about wealth? You can have the best strategy in the world, but if your body still identifies money with stress or instability, you'll never fully hold it. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you why mindset work alone keeps you stuck and how rewiring your frequency finally lets abundance feel safe, steady, and completely normal. Hi, my name is Nilofer Safdar, and for the past 30 years, I've helped high performing entrepreneurs, coaches, and healers dissolve the emotional tension that keeps their nervous system stuck in survival mode. We've used neuroscience, breath work, and energetic recalibration to help them stop chasing money and start holding it with ease. Here's the thing, we've all been told think positive, visualize success, feel abundant. But let me ask you, how many times have you tried to think abundant while your chest was tight, your heart was racing, and you were worried about bills? That's the truth right there. You were trying to think like a millionaire while your body was vibrating at a fear frequency. I see it all the time. You're pushing harder, stacking new strategies, doing affirmations. But deep down, all that work feels heavier and heavier. You might even make more money, but you can't relax. You keep checking your accounts every day, worried that it will disappear. That's not working because your nervous system doesn't care about your vision board. It only cares about safety. And until your body feels safe holding it, your subconscious will reject. I had a client, let's call her Sarah. She had a multiple six-figure business, but every time she hit a record month, she'd crash. No sleep, no peace, lots of anxiety. She didn't need more mindset work. She needed her nervous system to believe it's safe to have more. So, how do you start shifting into millionaire frequency? Let's break it down. Step number one, awareness. Notice your energy when you think about money. Don't sugarcoat it. Do you feel expansion or contraction? Just noticing that is the first step to rewiring your frequency. Step two, regulation. Use breath work to calm the body. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and imagine releasing the tension with each breath. As you exhale, say quietly, it is safe to receive. Step three, normalization. When your body feels calm, visualize your next level. Millions, clients, everything. Not exciting, not stressful, just normal. Why this works? Because wealth responds to regulation. When your body is calm, your energy field expands. That's the real millionaire frequency. Not hype, not adrenaline, just grounded in presence. And this is exactly what we are doing inside 21 days to rewire your brain and body to millionaire frequency. For 21 days, I'll walk you through daily rewiring rituals, breath work, energy resets, and nervous system safety. So, wealth stops being something you chase and becomes something you hold with ease. Drop the word rewire below if you are ready to make wealth your new normal.